Before the pandemic, more women were in the workforce than ever before, and new research ranks New York State fifth in the country for women's economic standing. The report from the Institute for Women's Policy Research reveals both progress and barriers that were present before the recession. Study co-author Elise Shaw notes New York's ranking for 2019 is the same as 2018. She says the state has been more proactive with policies, like family medical leave, that further women's equity in the labor force. But there are more areas to work on.
In New York City, the minimum wage is $15 an hour, but outside of that area, it's $12.50. Really working to get that up and equalized across the state is something that will really help women and ensure that there's equity no matter where you live.
Shaw notes this is especially important for women of color, who are disproportionately concentrated in lower-wage jobs. The 2019 data ranks New York in the top 10 among states for median income, gender wage gap, and women in managerial and professional positions. But the state drops to 23rd for its number of women in the workforce, which Shaw attributes to high childcare costs. Shaw predicts there will be fewer spots available at childcare centers, since many shut down during the pandemic. The study suggests creating a national childcare system to help women and their families recover from the recession.
Looking at how can we make childcare more affordable would help working mothers be able to afford to have childcare for their children and then be able to work and advance in their careers while they have young children.
Other recommendations in the report include providing income support and short and long-term investments in safety net programs, such as unemployment insurance and the Supplemental Nutrition Assistance Program, or SNAP, to help more families as they pull out of the pandemic. I'm Michaela Savitt for New York News Connection.